How to create WeChat account. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded WeChat app in your device. If not, you can launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app WeChat and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on sign up. You'll get different options to sign up for your account. Phone number, Apple ID or Facebook. Use any of it. If you use phone number, click on that. Now you have to provide these details: full name, select the reason, provide the phone number, and type in the password. Check in for this option and click on accept and continue. With that, you'll need to verify your phone number. You'll be getting code in your phone number. You have to type in that code, and with that, your account will be created. If you select the option of Apple ID or Facebook, just click on the option of continue. For this video, I'm going to use my Apple ID to sign up for WeChat. Now you'll need to provide these details: full name, reason, phone number, and the password. After you provide all these details, click on accept and continue. Now go to the terms and condition of WeChat. Click on I have read and acknowledge the privacy policy and then click on next. Now you'll be receiving verification code in the phone number that you have just entered. Type in that code and with that your account will be created. So this way you are able to create WeChat account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.